guys, early bird.
I'd like to see it. Whoa.
When is early bird? 42.
Wow.
I do not know where is early bird. Let's just wait. And I'm doing stupid. Yeah, get locked in. So don't ask me to post more. I already posted like 6
Okay, so let's see.
things, videos,
This is the new ritual, guys. This is
and
the secret ritual.
we forgot one thing.
There's no way he gets.
Like and sub. Hit that banger subscribe button if you want to join the Vincent Do Roblox group. Let's go! Top the base. It's gone in 55 minutes.
Here we go. What did you get, bro? Is this actually a secret recipe? Chad, this might be a secret recipe. We don't know yet. Come on, Sammy. Two meow trees! That is 2 meow trees! That is not real! That's 2 meow trees! How did that have 2? How did it have 2 meow trees? Early bird, little bro. Guys, he's missing early bird for this. Why is there 2? Yeah, the whole chat's going.
Oh, when he is actually missing early bird.
Wait, I think it's
Well, when is early bird?
Should I try that ritual? We should try that ritual. I feel like it would work.
We don't have. Wait, do we have new beanies with them?
We can collect them, bro. We can collect them. Tony, buy 8x luck. Buy 8x luck.
I got you.
W Tony. W Tony cheeks, bro. I think so, bro. I think so. W Tony, bro.
And Sam, yeah, true.
Yeah, just be nice to him.
Let the rich get richer for a minute. Come on. Yeah, come on. It's just 1 minute. Okay, wait, guys. Rusty said I could fuse him.
Let's do it.
Oh, 4 on secret fuse. I bet.
Do it.
Yes, come on, early bird.
Oh, please.
Oh,
First Hydra.
I got secret lucky block.
He did early bird.
Sick. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I hope I can all of them. You already missed it anyways. You missed it.
10x lock for early bird.
My brother just came so. I know, I'm just saying.
Slash slug.
Yes, I got the second rarest. No, I didn't. I got from my Almond Lucky Block right here.
Yikes.
The Julio Jutrigal. I did wake you up.
That's a mutation, though.
I came to him. It says you're gonna miss Ellie, but anyway, it says.
Well, at least we got a Hydra and we got a Pop Guru.
Yeah, we're doing like the craziest fuses on this street.
Okay, you still remember that. Okay. No, I didn't heard it. Okay, buddy, you said something else.
Lucky blocks suck. Guys,
My brother just.
only W, spam W.
I woke him up
Also leave a like right
for
now.
early bed. He said he was bored. He was awake. Went back to sleep, and now he's saying that he didn't hear nothing. Whoa! What did he say? Is he dumb? I don't know.
That's sick. Wait. Oh my god.
I don't know.
Yo.
Please. I'm not looking.
So we're gonna do this for an hour.
Please, please, please. Okay, what I get? What I get, guys?
He said me and SpongeBob. Dude, that is sick. Yo.
Whoa! Seriously?
That is sick. Good job.
Okay, bye guys. This was early bird, I guess. Bad early bird.